Hello everyone, drum tech drummer and online educator Kenny Sharretts coming to you with a step-by-step drum tuning video on one of the most legendary snare drums in the music business. And that is the Black Beauty from Ludwig, y'all. Now we'll be working with an 80s Black Beauty, 6.5 by 14, with the super tall hoops on it, an Evans 300 bottom, and 24 strand pure sound wires for you to check out. So we got some spread, but not too much spread. And I'm gonna run you through some tunings and some procedures that help make this drum sound great, so we can see what we can get out of one of the most iconic snares in the world. Now, right now I have this drum tuned to a perfect fifth. It's a B to an F sharp, B on top, F sharp on the bottom, right in that bottom zone where it's kind of right in the middle. Not too tight, not too low. It's got enough crack to where it cracks in the mix and you can feel it, but it's got enough heft to where it doesn't sound pingy. It's got a lot of balls and a backbeat. Yet at this tuning, there's also enough sensitivity going on, enough rebound that you can get some nice go strokes. So let's go ahead and go step by step with this head started at finger tight and take you up through some tunings of the top head and bottom head so you can hear all the sounds that we can get out of this drum. Now the head we're going to be using is the one that's on here. It's the Evans HD Dry, y'all. And I absolutely love it on this drum because it gives enough control to the drum that the sing in the ring doesn't overwhelm the mix. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this head so you can kind of hear how this drum can be tuned, y'all. Solid. So we're gonna go ahead and get this drum finger tight from the start. Now I have this loose, nice to about wiggle, but I got them kind of brought down to the hoop. And so I'm just gonna reach in here and kind of turn this drum and get a left to right turn on this bad boy and make sure she's solid. I'm starting well. Then I'm gonna continue in the 1-2, tiny X. Sounds like an A to me. Let's check it out with this tune belt, y'all. See what it's gonna give me. Oh my God, A220 on the nose, y'all. This is an awesome thing. Now I'm gonna double check, make sure we have the pitches I want all the way around. And I can hear a little bit of lowness right there, but oh no, we're keeping them pretty even with 2 rounds of turns once we balanced it up. It's the beauty of 2-key tuning. Now I have a perfect fifth here. Do, re, mi, fa, so. To the E, and I want to hear what this sounds like. Now, this is a tuning I used for Chris Lovejoy with Matt Nathanson. This is what he wanted. He liked that A to E, that big fat low snare, and it sounded amazing in the PA. So let's check it out, y'all. Oh my God, that's super fat, y'all. Let's check it out without a moon gel. Oh my God, that's super fat, super low, and it has a nice control to it. A little bit of sensitivity across the board. Still doing it double stroke rolls. This sounds phenomenal with this tuning. But I want to go ahead and take it up another round of turns. So we're going to take it up to a B to an E. All the way around the drum, y'all. So these are good things for you to know, but what really matters is how it sounds when you hit it, man. Oh my God, Beefy as it gets, but a little bit tighter, a little bit more focused. That sounds great, y'all. Let's do it without the moon gel. Oh, I'm loving this, y'all. And this is one of the reasons I love the HD dry on the Black Beauty. It helps contain the ring of the brass shell while still utilizing the ring of the brass shell. You can hear it, but it's not overwhelming the microphone, at least not to the point where it would annoy your engineer. And that's our goal here. Now, normally I'd want to bring this bottom head up a little bit more and start going into higher tunings, but I've talked to a lot of people online who've talked about how much they love the major third on their snare drum. So I'm going to go ahead and go up another 263 C4. 262 C4. Yeah, 262 all the way around this drum, y'all. That is beautiful. And I think it's just a touch here, high here, because that was the one place that kind of went on it. But we're going to go ahead and get this too and see what the C sounds like with and without a moon gel. So let's start it with a moon gel, y'all. Amazing. Without the moon gel, y'all, I get so excited. This drum sounds so good. Yeah, that's beautiful, y'all. Absolutely kicking. And again, this HD dry is really treating this shell well. So we're gonna go ahead and do for one more tuning in this segment. All right, we got a perfect fourth on this drum. Now this is kind of one of the tunings I've used a lot in my touring years simply because, well, it works, y'all. Let's check it out. Love, crisp, tight, to the point, sensitivity across the board. Absolutely love it, y'all. So let's take this drum up to some higher tensions, starting with moving this top head up to a C sharp and this bottom head up to an F sharp, y'all. C sharp for 280. This one's a hair high. Now, I know this whole drum is a little bit sharp on the C sharp side, but I'm gonna play this head. It's gonna go out of tune a little bit. Bum, bum. So I wanna hear what this drum sounds like without muffling. Yeah, that's absolutely rocking, y'all. Absolutely love it. So we're gonna try one more tuning where I'm gonna take this up to a C to a G, or a D to a G. We're gonna actually take this top head up first. So let's check this drum out. No muffling first. No muffling. Oh my God, it's just smacking me in the face, y'all. Absolutely love this drum. Let's go ahead and put a little muffling on it, let you hear it with some muffling. But again, this HD Dry is doing its job at the tighter tunings. Yeah, at this tension, I don't even want that moon gel anywhere around here. And that's one of the things I like about this HD Dry. Like with lower tensions, the moon gel or any kind of gel adds a little mass, adds a little heft, it kind of tightens up the wires. But here, this is kicking, y'all, absolutely head to toe. So I hope you've enjoyed this segment of how to tune a Black Beauty using the Evans HD Dry. And if you want to learn how I tune this drum step by step, please head to kennysharretts.com and stream the step-by-step lesson on how I tune this Black Beauty so you can see every nuance and every turn I did. That way you can walk with me through this drum and try some of these tunings for yourself, y'all. But for now, I hope this helped you find your way when using a 2-ply head or an HD Dry head from Evans and getting some great sounds and great tunings from your Black Beauty. And again, these will work with just about any head. They may not sound exactly like this, but these will work with most 2-ply heads and even single-ply heads. May need a little extra turn here or there, but all in all, it's going to give you that range of tunings. So all these pitches are going to be accurate for you to get some great sounds out of your Black Beauty.